Hey guys, we are gonna do a bike ride on our GoPro, and you're connected to my bike right now, Ollie Slayer's bike, and Quinn's Castle World, and Dingle Puffer, my dad. We are all gonna go on a bike ride, and we just gotta wait for my dad to be ready. Make sure to smash that like button only if you like this video, okay? Let's go this way.
Okay, let's go.
This is scary.
Oh, there's the water down there. Park the bikes and go down to the water. Park our bikes down there and go down by the water.
Okay guys, make sure to smash that like button only if you like this video. I'm not forcing you. And make sure to subscribe if you like my channel. And subscribe to Dingle Puffer and Quinn's Castle World. But if you don't end up, if you like this video and you forget to hit the like button, then you might end up knocking the wind out of you 5 times in one day, which is bad luck.
Go, buddy.
So,
You.
it's a little bit bumpy. That's good and fun, because we can do wheelies.
Appreciate it.
Welcome. There's Quinn's Castle World. There is Dingle Puffer. And here's Ollie's lair. Hi guys. Well guys, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh guys, we are underneath the road. It's pretty cool down here. There's a river right down there. That's where water. Oh, look at all that water. That's cool. And guys, I'm on gear 7. That's pretty awesome. Don't you think, guys? Guys, it's gonna thunderstorm today. I feel some raindrops. Some rain coming. Yeah, we have some people. Look at these military vehicles. Guys. It's pretty deep. Look at this one. This is. Hey guys.
That's cool. What do you think?
Look at this.
What do you think that transported at one time?
This probably transported World War I or World War II. It's pretty rusty.
Pretty old.
And, ooh. There's some cars. Look at this, guys. Ooh, look over here, guys. Oh, I just saw a lizard.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at this. So, these are the colors of some military uniforms. 25ID 1/25A. Have an idea what that means.
That one's got oil.
Oh, look at this. It's the same thing as the other one we looked at. That's pretty awesome, right, guys? Yeah. And we're going to hop back on the sidewalk. Okay. Now that I did that, we can keep riding. Are you recording?
Yep.
Hey guys, so now we are over here. Oh, we can go across the blocks. No, we can go across here. It's not that deep.
What do you think? We can take our shoes off and walk across?
Yep. Let's take our shoes off. Hold on, there's some blocks down there. We can go on.
I think we need our shoes off still. All right.
Backpacks?
We don't have a towel, do we?
Nope. Well, we just gotta do what we gotta do. Gotta do what we gotta do. Any leeches.
All right, guys.
Hey guys, we're gonna cross this river.
I'm
and
scared.
Go over
Should
there.
we take our backpacks off?
If you want.
Take your backpack off.
I'm actually to keep mine on
Actually,
me.
not that cold.
Did you hit a rock?
Nope.
Dad, you go.
No, I did not.
Jump in, Daddy.
Oh, jeez. I just
Is this Chris? Dad, let me
I just fell down the
hand.
I just fell down the
No, this hand.
I don't know what I fell down, but I fell down
Oh
the
my gosh, I'm scared.
I slipped in the mud.
Ollie, help me.
Come on, just jump in. Okay, let's go, guys.
Oh my god.
Let's walk.
You gotta do what you gotta do. Oh my god. Oh my god. We crossed it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Deer trap.
What's that? Deer trap?
Or dog trap.
What's that?
Over here is going to be hard, but
Somebody lost in the.
and guys, can I tell you something crazy? My mom, she is signing me, Quinn, and herself up for a crazy canoeing thing. Like we're gonna go canoeing, and then we're gonna go like down there, but a little more bigger and
Sweet.
faster canoe.
That should be exciting. Ooh, I hear thunder. I like thunder. The water's not even cold. It feels actually really good.
No, I can take a bath.
Oh guys, look, this is like survival mode to put things together. This is like a big dinosaur footprint, guys.
Oh my gosh, look at that guy.
Oh my
Look at
god.
that. Oh, that's warm.
Where is?
Oh, this is so nice. Oh, you can feel this.
Yeah, we're gonna have some thunderstorms, I think.
Guys, my feet are like,
Look at that. This is like, it's a little.
guys, me and Quinn need like cement, and this is it.
I'm gonna walk over here. I wonder if there's I bet in some of the deeper sections there's some fish.
What? Do you catch fish to eat them?
I said I bet in some of the deeper sections, deeper ponds, there's probably some fish.
Yeah, we could catch sharks.
Watch out for like what you're walking on, like in case there were to be some like fish hooks or anything in the sand. Just always watch where you're walking. Ooh, this would be a cool picture.
Now I'm going to put you guys underwater.
Okay, go.
Let's do this. Did you like that? Okay, guys. We're walking through the water. There's my brother. Oh, this fish is nice.
Nice.
If you guys watch that show on YouTube, that that guy goes and looks for stuff underwater, subscribe to Dingo Puffers. Oh, this fish is so nice. I wish you guys can feel this. Look at that. Doesn't that feel so nice? What is that? Oh, Dad, come here. Feel this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Sand feels so nice on your feet, right?
Dad, look at this. Look. Look. Look at that.
What is that?
I don't know, but it's like
Looks like
a rope.
you know what I bet that is?
What?
I bet that is a way for the land to not wash away with the water levels.
Yeah, that would be bad. Oh my gosh, I'm sinking in. Well, maybe we should go up there.
What you doing over here?
Oh my god, guys. Oh my gosh. I almost fall down, guys.
You almost fell down, huh?
This feels so good. Look at this. Look. Oh yeah. Look at that. Ah. Look at this. You want me to run in it? Okay, let's go. Whoa, whoa. Where's my feet? Ready? Oh my gosh, look at what my brother's making. Oh no, my feet's stuck. It's on sand.
Oh, what is that?
Oh my gosh.
Let me see this thing. That's that big cloud right there saying hello.
And we're going to,
Man, that's a dark cloud.
we're gonna stay here. That's what we're doing.
All right, let's walk up here a little ways. Let me hold it for a few. That's a deep hole right there, huh? All right.
Let's make it up to that place right there.
Okay. Rock and roll. Whoa. Ooh, is that just lightning? Is that just lightning, guys? I think I saw lightning, and that would explain why the thunder is right after. Woo! It's probably not a good thing to be by the water
But
while there's a thunder and lightning storm.
Why?
Because if the lightning were to come down and be near us, we could get seriously hurt. So we're gonna keep ourselves out for light. We're gonna watch out for lightning, guys. If there's lightning, we're gonna get out of this area.
so we might make a little bit more. We're gonna rain that.
Oh no, when it rains,
Sucks.
there will be a flash flood.
Hey, let's go back here towards
So we're gonna go back to our bikes and do that adventure now. We got the water enough, and
But you're going down there?
I want to see how deep it gets.
guys, oh my,
Huh? No, I'm gonna go. No, I'm not gonna go that way. We're gonna go that way.
oh,
We're floating the river right now. If this is a little bit higher, like in Spokane, there's something called a little Spokane, and it's such a nice thing to float in the summertime.
we're gonna make our way back
Put your shoes on.
and see you when we're back on the bikes. So yeah. Do you have to get our socks back on?
You don't have to, but you can use your socks to drop your feet, and then you just wear your socks, wear your shoes the other way.
Come on, Daddy. Mama, are you ready?
Ollie, come on.
Ah,
Walk in here with me. This is just fun to play in, huh? This water's not even cold. It's like super nice. Ollie! Come on, Tiger. Here, I'm gonna put this in here and see if I can see your feet. Look at it later. One thing cool is we can do it like this and it shifts the angle. Alright, we gotta get back to our shoes.
Oh my God!
Is it raining or what?
It's raining! No! Six! Oh my God! Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh, guys! What are we doing? We have to get a Coke after this.
Okay, let's... Look how hard it's raining. Holy moly.
Oh.
We knew this was gonna happen, didn't we? We called it.